Abebembezi hamwe n'abatura bo mu district ya Kasese nibagumiza muna n'okucumitiriza aha kiteekateeko ky'okushara mu district egi. Honorable Kabyanga Godfrey, State Minister wa ICT na National Guidance, nagira ngu ahabwe district egi ekashazirwemu kwenda kuhitya abantu obuheereza bwa haihi.
Atukabwira hano omuntu kanakazana n'amanyi manene ekyerikiriba twesipatara ya Kabera General Hospital erukoki etwabirikazana n'amanyi manene betu utore wa mitu obuli district itore lyebina uteki hospital so chikamaze ndi twambetu na utise district ini nesia hospital tuketu ngasinga ini eyebwera yebiyebwera district eyerukoki yebiye Kasese district betu nekatu yabina uteyayi neyimi yabina uteyayi.
We Muhinde Elfaz Bukombi, chairman w'entebe ya Katana bwa Kasese nagira ngu kuba kushara mu Kasese bakukoratira amashaza nk'okugari obwa hati kikahwera omu kushuganisa kurungi eby'obuheerezi.
I was thinking that if they were to consider constituency by constituency, that would be something better. But like many people have theories of saying, if we are to have new local governments created, why don't they create them in such a way? It begins from the mountain, from the hills down the lake region.
Zimwe za districts ez'abantu batwire bakushaba nihima mu Gishagadi Kansara w'egombora ya Kichwamba aha district nagira ngu ishaza lya Busongora North niryemarira kuba district ya Hima.
It is Busongora North constituency. The way how the constituency is going, that's how the Hima district will also be.
Kimwe abinte birukureta hebuzo bingi no kuba kubasa kusharamu ensharo za district sensia nka government yargayo ekeikirizana n'ekitenso cyo kusharamu Kasese aha nshongeji natwera ham Kasara wa Nyakatonza ha district nagira ngu okusharamu hakabaho district ya Katwe nikibasa kwera kurebeka ngu okufa aha byetengo by'enganda nk'Abasongora Abakingwe, Abanyabindi, hamwe n'abafumbira kwabaho.
Yes, we can have, because the plan is 4 districts. We have Kasese Mine, there is Hima, there is Wera, and there is Katwe for the ethnic minorities. So, and the challenge is about the boundaries. People want to touch the national park, they are saying the resources, but we are saying if people of Karusandara opt to go to Katwe, then why should you stop them from joining Katwe? Because they are the ones who are supposed to be benefiting from this.
Obu abantu barikongera kuhajana aha kiteekateeko ky'okushara mu district ya Kasese, Minister Kabyanga Godfrey nayenda ngu abantu kwetantara kwebaganisamu bakorere hamwe aha bw'entunguuka.
Basaba borumu omwatsi w'esyanganda siye bayamba completely. Because no muri ngeri to district abantu ko kuwa bakaganya acyangare ke district itabyaho ne bakakubura unesi district ngoma ikishebye mu abanyabe banene ikishebye mu Basongora bane. That's not the problem, because inje no munangabya inga no tichakali ayo mu Katwe district salionge nyariyo tanga bwira anu belikere kampara nga no ticha nga no tichake mukono nga no tichake mubende. So sali no mndu omete bwati ngelwe not at all
agagasha kwa Mate Isaac ahabwa tayari Westo Kasese.